Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if this is your first time of watching my video, I want you to like, comment, share, subscribe, and most importantly I want you to turn on your notification button so that when next I drop a video about money making updates, no deposit bonus, and how to claim a free funded account, you'll be able to get it. And mind you, these bonus I'm dropping are withdrawable. They are very reliable. The platform is very reliable. So I will be teaching you how you can claim a $100,000 no deposit account, how you can get it, how you can claim it in this video by using this platform. So you don't have to be afraid about how you are going to get to this interface. Just click on the link in the description of this video and it will take you to this interface. And mind you, I want you to stick around this video to the end of this video so that you won't be lost. So as you can see, once you get here, you enter your name, your email, and a code has been sent to your email. So all you have to do is to go to your email and copy it. You'll see I'm going to copy it now. I'm going to copy the code. Stick to the end of this video so that you won't miss any process, because if you miss any process you won't be able to claim the bonus, to claim the free funded account. So I have pasted the code over here. Just enter your password, confirm your password, click on open trading account. So just enter everything, fill in the right details, click on open a trading account. So once you click on it, you'll be taken to this place. You click on authorization. So you click on authorization, wait for it to load, and once it has loaded, it is still loading. So be paying attention to what I'm saying. So you click on these three lines above here, click on it, come down, make sure you come down, click on it again. I want you to see it very well. So I will drag this recording stuff down. So click on trading contest. As you can see, this is trading contest. You have to click on it. So once you click on it, it will take you to another place. We have not been able to click on it. That's why it has not taken us to where we are expected to be. So you come back, you have to come back and click on it. You have to come back here. So you scroll down, you have to scroll down, click on trading contest in order to get your bonus. You come down, so click on this three line above, click on it. So once you click on it, scroll down. So let's scroll down. You click on trading contest. So when you are done clicking on trading contest, it will take you to this place. After that, you click on registration, or you may even click on check details so that you'll be able to know the rules of this free funded account. So you'll be able to see it over here. So you back it. When you are done backing it, you click on registration. So it will take you to this interface. Enter your nickname, your country, your city, and after that click on registration again. So you click on registration. So watch me as I click. So it as you can see, it has brought registration successful. You click on OK. That means your account details has been sent to your email. So you just go back to your email, you go there to go and get your credentials. So you go to your email. As you can see, you click on it. These are my credentials, but I won't be able to let you see it so that you're going to log in my details. So these are your credentials. You have to click on trading terminal. So you click on trading terminal so that you can go and start using your bonus to trade. So click on trading terminal. You'll see me now. I'll click on it right now. So as you can see, I've clicked on it. So it will take you to this place. You wait for it to load. You have to be patient with it. So you have to be patient. As you can see, this is our bonus here. This is our bonus. We have been able to, as you can see, this is our balance, $100,000 no deposit bonus. So as you can see, you can now start trading with it. Thank you for watching. Thank you. God bless you. It is withdrawable. So you can just go through the terms and conditions which is in your details. Have a nice day, guys. I love you.